Today we're comparing two scan tools from Foxwell, the NT809 and the NT809TS. I'll walk you through what's the same, what's different, and which one you should pick depending on what you do. So, grab a drink, let's dive in. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the Foxwell NT809, the ultimate diagnostic tool for car enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves working on cars or wants to take control of your vehicle's health, this review is for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's give you a quick overview of the Foxwell NT809. It's a professional automotive diagnostic scanner designed to provide accurate and comprehensive information about your vehicle's performance. It supports a wide range of car makes and models, making it suitable for both dealers and professional mechanics. Now, let's talk about the key features and benefits that make the Foxwell NT809 a standout diagnostic tool. Extensive vehicle coverage. One of the most impressive features of the NT809 is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports a vast array of car manufacturers, including domestic, Asian, and European models. This means that no matter what car you own or work on, the NT809 is likely to have you covered. All system diagnostics. With the NT809, you can perform all system diagnostics, including reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data, and conducting active tests. This makes it a powerful tool for identifying and resolving issues within your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. Advanced functionality. The NT809 goes beyond basic diagnostics. It offers advanced functionalities such as oil service reset, electronic parking brake service, battery configuration, and more. These features are incredibly useful for performing maintenance tasks and resetting service indicators. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the NT809's interface is a breeze. It features a large color LCD screen with intuitive menu options, making it easy to access the desired functions and view diagnostic results. Final thoughts and recommendation. After extensively testing the Foxwell NT809, we can confidently say that it's a top-notch diagnostic tool with exceptional capabilities. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this scanner provides accurate and detailed information to help you diagnose and fix problems with ease. Overall, the Foxwell NT809 is a great value for the price. It has a wide range of features and is easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable OBD2 scanner, the Foxwell NT809 is a great option. Thank you. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Foxwell NT809TS OBD2 scanner. This is a high-end diagnostic tool that offers a wide range of features including bidirectional control, live data streaming, and code reading and clearing. Features. The Foxwell NT809TS has a lot to offer, so let's take a look at some of its key features. Bidirectional control. This allows you to send commands to your car's computer, which can be useful for troubleshooting certain problems. Live data streaming. This allows you to see real-time data from your car's sensors, which can be helpful for diagnosing problems. Code reading and clearing. This is a basic but essential feature that allows you to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, ABS or seniors or EPB or SAS or TPMS service. These are a range of services that can be used to reset or calibrate various components in your car. 30+ service resets. This includes a wide range of services, such as oil reset, EPB reset, and SAS reset. 3-year free update. This means that you'll be able to keep your Foxwell NT809TS up to date with the latest software. The Foxwell NT809TS has a lot of pros, including wide range of features. This scanner offers a wide range of features, which makes it a versatile tool for diagnosing car problems. Easy to use. The Foxwell NT809TS is easy to use even for beginners. Comprehensive documentation. The Foxwell NT809TS comes with comprehensive documentation, which makes it easy to learn how to use the scanner. Free updates. The Foxwell NT809TS comes with 3 years of free updates, which ensures that you'll always have the latest software. The Foxwell NT809TS does have a few cons, including expensive. The Foxwell NT809TS is a bit expensive, but it's worth the price for the features it offers. Not all features are supported on all vehicles. Some of the features on the Foxwell NT809TS are not supported on all vehicles. Can be slow to load data. The Foxwell NT809TS can be slow to load data, especially on older vehicles. Here are some additional information about the Foxwell NT809TS. Supported vehicles. The Foxwell NT809TS supports a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Software updates. The Foxwell NT809TS comes with 3 years of free software updates. Warranty. The Foxwell NT809TS comes with a 1-year warranty. Overall, the Foxwell NT809TS is a great OBD2 scanner that offers a wide range of features. It's easy to use and comes with comprehensive documentation. If you're looking for a high-end diagnostic tool, the Foxwell NT809TS is a great option. Thanks for watching my review of the Foxwell NT809TS OBD2 scanner. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more automotive content. Alright, to wrap up, if I were you, and let's say you're working on cars, you want a good all-round scanner and you won't do a lot of TPMS sensor work, go with the NT809. It gives you the core features and great diagnostics. If instead you anticipate doing a lot of tire or sensor or TPMS work, or maybe you already do spend the bit extra and go for the NT809TS so you're covered, the bonus TPMS features might pay off. I'd probably say, for most dealers and small garages, NT809 is more than enough. For workshop-level, multi-service garages, NT809TS is the better investment. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. So, if you already know you want a full system scanner, both of these have that covered. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.